In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country in the Google Play Store. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like the video down below. So first, open up your Google Play Store and then go to the top right for your profile. Then go to Payments and Subscriptions and then go to Payment Methods. From here, you want to go to More Payment Settings, and then it will open up a browser. Then you might have to sign in and get a verification code. Before I did this, it had me do that. Then click on the top left for the 3 lines and then go down to Settings. Then from here, scroll down until you see Country or Region. Now, you have to create a new payment method in order to change your country or region. So click on the edit button and then press on Create New Profile, Continue, and then you can choose your country or region that you want to change. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions that you have. I will see you in the next video.